Welcome to the Genius Olympiad coding application video. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to apply. First, scroll down on the Genius website and click on Apply Now. Log in with the email address you previously registered with, then go to the Project section and click on Add New. You may enter the student's name in the project title field. Fill out the form completely, using only English characters and without any punctuation marks. Skip the YouTube Media Link section. Proceed to the next page, where you have the option to upload any files related to your project if applicable. On the next page, you'll enter student information. To add a student who isn't yet in the system, click Add New Student and fill out the student's details completely before adding them to the project. The following page is only for certificate winners from Genius-affiliated fairs. Currently, there are no fairs related to the coding category. Once you feel your application is complete, click Complete. The final step of the application is making the payment. Under the Project tab, select Make Payment. If you have multiple projects, you can select them all and proceed with payment. Click Checkout, enter your valid card information, and complete the payment by clicking the Pay button. You can also access the payment page through the Payment section. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@geniusolympiad.org.